Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. There are many reasons why you might want to download your Instagram data. Maybe you want to back up your memories, like photos, videos, or chats. Maybe you're changing accounts and want to review your activity before starting fresh. Or perhaps you're just curious about what kind of data Instagram has been collecting on your activity over the years. In this guide, I'm going to take you step by step through the entire process of transferring or downloading a copy of your Instagram data. By the end, you'll know exactly how to request your information, what kind of data you'll receive, and how to access it properly on your device. Let's begin with the basics. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone and make sure you're logged into the account from which you want to download the data. Next, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the list of options, tap on your activity. Now, scroll down and select the option that says Download your information. Then tap on Download or Transfer information. If you have more than one Instagram account, select which account you want to download the data from. Or, if you want to download all, please click Select All, then click Next. Two options appear: whether to download all available information or some of your information. Tap it. Two options appears: Download to device or Transfer to destination. Tap on Download to device. You can customize starting from the date range. There are many choices: last week, last month, last 3 months, and others. Or you can also customize from what date to what date the data you want to download. Or, if you want to download all, select All Time, and click Save. Then please select the email address you want to use to receive notifications when the data is ready to download. For the format, we just leave it in HTML format. And finally, the media quality. I recommend choosing high quality, so that the quality of the downloaded data remains good. Then, click Create Files. And that's it. Instagram will now start preparing your data. It may take up to 14 days for Instagram to collect and send you the file. Although in most cases, it takes just a few hours. Once your data is ready, you'll receive an email with the subject line, Your Instagram Data. Open that email and follow the instructions to download the file. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.